Okay, this is where we left off in the last video, so we're going to push ahead to the next slide. It says the city of Metropolis holds an outdoor concert every summer. They sell two kinds of tickets, long tickets and seat tickets. This summer they sold fewer than 400 tickets. And we also see that they have lawn tickets as one option and seat tickets as another option. So if we say X equals lawn tickets and Y equals seats, it says to write an inequality that describes the situation. So all of the lawn tickets plus all of the seat tickets, and it's fewer than 400. So it's going to be less than 400. Write the coordinates of one solution to the inequality and explain what it represents. So as long as we add them together and it gets less than 400, we're good. So we could say 50 lawn and 200 seats, right? So this represents 50 comma 200. 50 is how many lawn seats were sold. And I'm going to stretch that out. And then 200 is how many seat tickets sold. And we know that it works because 50 plus 200 is 250. And we know that 250 is less than 400. So that's just one example that works here. There's many more. Push ahead to slide 8 when you're ready. At a concert in Metropolis, lawn tickets, now we know how much they cost. So lawn tickets are $30 and seat tickets are $50. The concert organizers want to make at least $8,000 from ticket sales. So we'll say again that our lawn is X and our seat is Y. So lawn tickets are 30, so we have 30 times X is going to be all the money made from our lawn tickets, plus our seat tickets are 50 times Y, and when we add those together, we want to make at least 8,000. So hopefully more, but 8,000 is our minimum, so we want that to be greater than or equal to 8,000. And write the coordinates of one solution and explain what it represents. So we want it to be bigger than 8,000, so they're going to be bigger numbers. Let's get our calculator. And let's say if X is 100, 30 times 100 is 3,000. So 30 times 100 gets us 3,000. We want to get up to 8,000. So 50 times 500? No, that's a lot. Maybe 200. So if we sell 200 tickets, so if Y equals 200, 50 times 200 got us 10,000. And when we add them together, 3,000 plus 10,000 is 13,000, which is greater than or equal to 8,000. So that's just one answer, but again, there's going to be many solutions that would work for this scenario. And on 11, it says, are there any coordinates that are solutions to the inequalities? Are there any coordinates that are solutions to both inequalities in 9 and 10? So this was looking at the price of the tickets, and this one is looking at the amount of tickets. So we want to do fewer than 400. And see, this was 300. So yeah, this would work. So the one that we chose here, when X was 100 and Y was, 200. When we add them together, It fits slide here because it's less than 400, because that's only 300 seats. And also we know it fits our problem 10 here because we got 13,000 was more than 8,000. So we can find enough to match how many tickets they sold with also making sure that they hit over their budget. Beautiful. So that fits both of the inequalities. As you continue, you're going to see some problems that are really similar to the ones that we just did, but you can get some more practice in. Try these ones if you want some more practice. And then at the end, there is a check-in slide. Make sure you're doing this check-in slide too. Which SpongeBob are you feeling today? How are you feeling about completing quarter 1? And what's a goal that you want as we start quarter 2? Take care, do the practice, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, friends.